Our project site is situated within the sacred grounds of Shamshan Bhumi, Nagar Nigam in Bareilly.
Tamsoma Jyotirgamya Mrityorma.
The available space for our project is limited to 1800 sq ft within the existing area of Shamshan Bhumi. The adjacent Sanjay Nagar Road, which connects to Stadium Road, provides accessibility to the site and enhances its connectivity. Our client envisions a simple yet practical design for a cow dung crematorium in Bareilly. Accommodate 3 cremation machines within a building that seamlessly combines reinforced concrete, RCC, and mild steel, MS, truss roofing. The design should facilitate a connection between the users and the space. Prioritize a practical and efficient layout for optimal functionality. Cost-effective. Concept design. Building life's emotions. This design is like a big storybook that shows all the feelings and experiences we have during our lives. It wants to paint a picture of the happy and tough times, starting from when we are born until the very end. The journey is recognized through the lens of 6 distinct stages: infancy, childhood, adolescence, adulthood, seniority, and the end of life. Concept evaluation. Infancy, childhood, adolescence, adulthood, seniority, the end of life. The layout is designed to symbolize the journey of life in 6 distinct parts. It starts with the entrance gate representing birth and progresses through different sections symbolizing childhood, adolescence, adulthood, and old age. The final room with the cremation machine signifies the end of this journey, representing death. Each part of the building portrays a stage of life, capturing the essence of the human life cycle from birth to death. Space segregation. Main road, office, foyer, covered hall, control room, open cremation area, machine room. Site integration. Times build the structure in harmony with the existing site profile, respecting the natural contours and features of the land. Tree inclusion. Incorporate an existing tree into the building design, providing shade and a connection to nature for users at every stage of life. Our building embraces climate-responsive features for optimal airflow and temperature control. By strategically placing openings from east to west, following the local airflow, we efficiently remove unwanted gases from the crematorium while refreshing other spaces. Clay jalis on the eastern side allow natural cooling without mechanical systems. Ventilators enhance airflow. We've aligned our design with the sun's path, reducing heat by placing entrances in the north and using clay jalis in the east for aesthetic patterns. Brick walls on the southern and western sides curb heat gain, ensuring a comfortable environment. Finishing materials. Exposed brick, Kota stone, MS pipe, texture paint, glass, clay jelly. The different levels are strategically used to represent the highs and lows of life. You'll notice these life stages scattered across various floors. Some parts symbolize joy, success, and happiness, those up moments we cherish. Meanwhile, other areas signify challenges, struggles, and reflection, those down times we all face. Vastu principles influence the main entrance gate's placement, positioned in the building's northern section. A water Shiva statue resides in the northeastern corner. Despite the building's orientation differing slightly from true north, We've aligned it along the north-south axis to adhere to the cremation ritual, placing the body's head towards the south and feet towards the north. Following Vastu guidelines, the building's north side has lower height while the southern part is elevated, respecting the traditions and rites associated with the space.
साधु संत भी गए, यहाँ राजा भी गए, यहाँ रंक भी गए, फकीर भी गए, साधु संत भी गए। जाना है, जाना है, जाना है, जाना पड़ेगा शमशान, जाना पड़ेगा शमशान, जाना पड़ेगा शमशान। Sham sham, sham sham.